Hello friends, today we will tell you about Wongweed coin cryptocurrency. It is listed on coinmarketcap.com. Its price is $0.0001 and its volume is around 4 lakh dollar and its blockchain is Binance Coin. It is listed today. Then we will tell you about it. I will review in detail and we will tell you how to buy it, and we will open Wongweed coin portfolio. So this portfolio has been opened and its rank is 2964 and 324 people have added it to the watch list. Its website is wongweed.info and this is its price $0.0001 and BTC is 1.06% high, ETH is 1.02% down, low price is 0 and high price is $0.0001. After that we will come down, and this is its graph. This graph is continuously increasing and decreasing. After that we will enter $1 here, and in $1 we are getting around 560 million BWC coin. After that we will come down, and this is its description, we can read it, and its total supply is 500 trillion BWC coin. After that we will open its website and click on wongweed.info. I have already opened this website, and here it has a menu bar like home, roadmap, chart, tokenomics and blog, greenleaf. Wongweed worldwide cannabis legalization token. Achieving worldwide legalization can only being done by having high hopes and introducing the marijuana legalization token. Meet the world first crypto powered marijuana legalization project. We are the first community driven weed coin with a sole purpose, dedication to the promotion and achievement of worldwide cannabis legalization. And puff passive income tokenomics. There is 10% tax on each transaction. These are divided into 5% return to the holder and 5% return to the liquidity. Simply hold your coin and we will automatically be rewarded through each purpose sale of BWC. 5% of every transaction is distributed to the all holder. We got 5 on it and 5% returning to the liquidity. 5% of transaction is automatically added to the liquidity pool. Ensure the fast and safe trading. YUP we got 5 on it. How to buy on PancakeSwap, chart, and we can join on Telegram. Why cannabis isn't dangerous and should be legalized. Positive effect: fight disease and controlling diabetes, epilepsy and Parkinson disease, cancer. Why cannabis isn't danger? Now you may be wondering to yourself, and cannabis actually be safe? According to the new research conducted by various researchers, cannabis may have a positive effect on overall well-being of the human body. This could be 1%. Why need is getting all the more popular worldwide. We can read more. The smoke shop. As soon as our first batch of branded product is released, you will redirected to the store here. And why should we legalize it? Let's us tell you briefly what is we are fighting for. We can learn more. Subscribe to newsletter and our roadmap. May 20th 2021 token launch. We have launched our token to help support of cannabis industry. We are completely convinced of the potential medical and recreational benefit of cannabis, so we are striving to get maximum support organically and from the community. We will use the all available marketing tool, app, site as Reddit maximum our reach. We accept this to be long term serious project. Listing Q3 2021 listing. We are aim to complete launch our coin onto various platform by time to get greater publicity. Coincheck and CoinMarketCap are the top listed platform to bring our token to limit light to be our first launching point. We have decided to choose Whitebit our first exchange we get listed on. Q4 2021 donation and investment. We are planning to give our donation to the charity organization that are fighting to reform cannabis law and legalize the sale use for cannabis. Along with that, we intend sell our own cannabis product and accessories in market where it be legal. Q1 2021 match. In the first quarter of 2022, we will start selling accessories in the form of mats. The sale will take place via our own online store. 10% of profit will be thrown into the token liquidity pool every month and or issue donation. And recent news. So now we will give you to tell what is the process of buying it. And we will download Trust Wallet app in our mobile phone and we will open Trust Wallet. After that we will create account on Trust Wallet. And if you do not know how to create an account on Trust Wallet, you can watch our video, link in the description. After that we will add money in the Trust Wallet and we will click on buy button and select blockchain. We will select BNB and here we can add money in our Trust Wallet and we can add minimum $50 in our Trust Wallet. After add money, go to home page and we will click on DApp section. After that we will open PancakeSwap exchange and PancakeSwap exchange has been opened. After that we will connect this exchange to Trust Wallet and click on connect and click on Trust Wallet and this exchange connected successfully from Trust Wallet. After that we will select slippage, click on this icon and here we can add slippage according to our token. After that we will click on select a currency and here we can search coin using name or coin address. After that we will select a token. After that we will enter number of coin, here as many as we want to buy. After that click on swap and click on confirm swap and click on accept button and finally click on confirm swap. So thanks for watching.